I'm here in East Portland with my man, Explore Adventure Moto, and we are going into the Aladdin Theater for the Oregon BDR film premiere.
That's a lot of sand and rocks.
And that's it. The Oregon BDR is now live at ridebdr.com/ORBDR.
My house is right about there.
So I'm here with Harold, the founder of Giant Loop, and not a lifelong Oregonian.
Almost. I was born here. My kids are 4th generation Bendites.
Oh, 4th gen, wow.
My dad's family goes back to the Oregon Trail days. So
okay, well,
they're OG Oregon.
You have the Oregon DNA.
That's
so
right.
I'm going to ask you the question I've been asking everyone tonight.
Yeah.
What does an Oregon BDR, a BDR in your home state, mean to you?
Oh man, like I've been waiting for this for a long time, honestly, because we've had these BDR routes that are they're interesting, and they actually pioneered the concept, right?
The inspiration.
But this is a whole different deal, and I've been waiting for it for a long time, and I'm super excited to see the route because I've ridden every mile of it, and some sections of it I've ridden multiple times.
Right,
so,
especially this area.
Well, exactly.
We know this area pretty well.
Our Giant Loop ride. This used to be the route to our Giant Loop ride. It used to be right here down to down to Summer Lake Hot Springs and stuff. So yeah.
And Giant Loop is a sponsor of the Oregon BDR. So what does it mean to you to be a sponsor of this route, and what it's going to this route that millions, hundreds, thousands of people are going to ride? What does it mean to you as a founder of Giant Loop?
Well, to me, like this is what Giant Loop, what we started the company for, right? Was that we wanted to be able to do exactly this. We wanted to be able to pack our camping gear on our dual sports and go for a long adventure. And so, it's just super exciting to me that like we're getting to kind of share our roots and origins with the entire world here.
Yeah, that's a great way. Yeah, really the inspiration for Giant Loop's products, right? Because the areas you were riding, and now we're sharing that with the whole world.
Absolutely.
That's so cool, dude.
Yeah. I have many great memories of some of these areas, like Beatty's Butte. Like when I first got my first dual sport, my XR 600, we camped at Beatty's Butte, and I was still I was worried about everything because you're out in the middle of nowhere, and I was still kind of new to the dual sport thing. And I remember riding through this lush field of wildflowers on Beatty's Butte, worried that there was a problem with my bike, and I was looking down at my bike and literally fell off my bike in the middle of a field of wildflowers on Beatty's Butte, back in 1999, 2000.
Wow, so the 20th century.
Well, exactly.
That's so long
ago. Yeah, exactly. Like a century ago. Feels like it too.
Wow. Very cool, Harold. Well, I'm glad you're here. Thanks for sponsoring and helping make this route happen.
So stoked.
And when are we riding?
Well, as soon as possible. Like I said, I've ridden pretty much every mile of it, and some of them multiple times. So, but linking it all together is the cool part, right? That's the difficult part.
And tell us what we're giving away, Harold.
Okay, we've got one of our new Cactus Canteen drinking water.
Yeah!
That'll come in handy in the desert.
And Harold, what is this?
And this is a USP hydration pack.
And then we've got 2 gift certificates from you,
Yeah,
right?
2 gift certificates, and hey, thank you everybody for supporting BDR. I think these guys have done just such a fantastic job of really representing like some of the best of Oregon. I love the fact that we get the mountains and the desert.
Right, people don't think about the desert.
The desert's near and dear to my heart,
Yeah.
so I'm really happy about that. Yeah.
Very cool.
Okay.
Very cool. Thanks, man.